Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the secure boot certificates that are expiring today. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you everything that you need to know related to the secure boot certificates, how to get them updated, and how to check if you already have them updated on your system. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. From the beginning of this video, let's check out every information that you need so that you have a clear image of what you have to do on your system. First of all, what is secure boot? It is basically a security feature that ensures only trusted software runs during a device start sequence. So whenever you start up your operating system and Windows 11 boots up, secure boot will help ensure that only trusted and non-malicious software will run during the device's boot. One of the first things that you have to check on your system is if you have secure boot enabled. For that, you're going to have to open up the search box, type in here MS Info or system information, and inside system information, you should notice next to secure boot state that it is turned on. This is one of the first things that you have to check. So if you have secure boot turned on, you have to know that secure boot uses some certificates to run correctly on your system. And these certificates are set to expire in June 2026, this month basically. Yesterday was the last day in which the old certificates worked, and those original certificates were issued in 2011, and now everyone should be updated to the new 2023 certificates. The official Microsoft website also states what happens if you don't have the latest certificates updated. If you don't have the latest certificates, basically the device continues to start properly and run properly, but boot manager protections cannot be applied, vulnerability fixes for the early boot environment, and also some third-party components that rely on Microsoft Secure Boot may fail to update. So if you're not sure you have all the latest Secure Boot certificates, what you'll have to do is to first of all open up the Settings app and then go to Windows Update and make sure you have the latest version of the operating system installed. Microsoft, for most devices, will update the certificates automatically by just updating to the latest version. At the time of the video recording, the latest version for the main release is 26200.8737 or build code KB5095093. So if you're on the latest build, you should most likely have the latest certificates installed. Additionally, you can also check the official manufacturer website and search for your motherboard depending if you have a PC or a laptop, and from there make sure you download the latest BIOS drivers if your manufacturer hasn't done that update automatically already. Pay attention, that update process is very critical, so be very careful if you don't know what you're doing. Now there are also ways in which you can check if you have the latest certificates. One way would be to open up PowerShell by searching for Power inside Windows Search and then click on Run as Administrator, and on User Account Control click on Yes. Inside PowerShell, you're going to have to run the following command, and if you receive the message true, it means that you already have the latest certificates installed. What this command does, as you can see, get secure boot UEFI, match UEFI CA 2023, which is the latest updates for the secure boot certificates. Starting with April 2026, Microsoft has also added an option inside Windows Security so that you can see if you have the latest certificates. If you open up the Windows Security app and then go to Device Security, you're going to see here the secure boot section, and if you have a green check mark, depending on your message, you should be good to go. That means you have the latest certificates and your system is secure and ready to go. So this is basically everything that you need to know related to secure boot. Basically, secure boot will ensure that no malicious software will run with your device startup sequence, and you have to keep your certificates updated if you want to be 100% secure on your system. If you normally update your operating system and you have the latest updates installed, as I've mentioned in previous Windows 11 25H2 updates, most likely you already have the latest secure boot certificates automatically installed. More information about everything that I've talked about in this video will be in the article below in the video's description or on the official Microsoft blog post. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.